Hey guys, Vera Sweeney here from Lady and the Blog, and I'm going to do a little unboxing today and show you what I got in the mail. So, first up, I've had this for a really long time. I just haven't had a chance to get through it. I'm actually obsessed with this brand, and I had a big conversation with their PR company, and I was like, just send me some stuff. I want to do a YouTube video on some of your products because I use your products, but I don't want to show what I have because it's all 3/4 done and disgusting. So, Love Beauty and Planet. I started using this brand when I was at Target because I was walking around and I just fell in love with their design, like their marketing. Like they really brought me in with the way that everything looks. And I didn't know anything about it. I had never heard about it before, but literally their aesthetics is what really brought me in. So I took some stuff home. Actually, I went to Florida and I brought some stuff with me. That was the first time that I used it, and I really haven't looked back. So I just wanted to give you a little bit, a little info about some of the stuff that they have. And here's a little sampling. So Love Beauty and Planet. This is a 2-minute magic mask for dull hair. This is, again, like, you know, it's stuff that you could travel with or not. This isn't a travel-centric brand, but, I mean, I travel so much, so everything to me, I look at it under that lens. You know, they have no silicone, no parabens, no dyes, no gilt. And that's sort of where everybody's going nowadays with their mentality. So I sort of like to look for products that have that mentality as well. And everything smells so good. So I also appreciate that as well. This is coconut oil and yang yang. I hope I'm saying that right. There's like a Y in the front. So this is the shampoo and the conditioner. And Hope and Repair, again, is the name of it. And there's organic coconut oil. It's safe for colored hair. It's vegan. It's plant-based, not tested on animals and everything else that I said. It's 100% recycled from plastic. And I'm telling you, the scent, I mean, we don't have smell-o-vision yet, but believe me when I tell you, you're in the shower and it just really has that like aromatherapy going on. It feels good on your body. It smells good when you're using it. I just love the vibe. I love the way it looks. Like even when I'm taking a shower and I'm looking at the bottles, it makes a difference. I don't know how else to say this. This is the right vibe. Like I am your target audience. I am the person that you want to shop for. This is me. This is who I am. If I was a bottle, this is who I am as a bottle. So, Beauty and Planet. They're all different names, actually. Wait, this is, yeah, Beauty and Planet. It says Love Beauty and Planet, but Beauty and Planet is the overall brand. And then this is 3-in-1 Benefit Oil. I just blew out my hair. So basically, when you come out of the shower, you can pour some of this on to your hair before you do any of your heat, before you give any heat to it. And I'm telling you, it says use as a pre-wash, deep treatment, or spread 1 to 2 pumps of oil evenly through wet hair. So you can do either or. And what I also like to do with these type of treatments is if I know that I'm not going to style my hair during the summer, if I know I'm just sort of going to wash it and maybe just let it be, or I'm going to put it back in a half ponytail, or maybe I'm going to beachy wave it, I'm not really going to care about how it looks, I put a bunch of this stuff in my hair, or I leave a deep conditioner mask. Maybe I leave it in my hair for 1 or 2 days. I don't wash it out totally. I sort of give my hair extra love during the summer as an extra base, like sunscreen. I don't know what you'll call it. I just leave extra product in my hair when I know I'm not going to do it. And so in this case, for me, 3-in-1 Benefit Oil, what I'll do over the summer is when I know I'm not styling my hair, I'll give it a few extra pumps. And, you know, maybe I'll put it in a bun. I'll put the half pony when I know I'm wearing sunglasses and I'm not going to have it down all the way in front of my face. I'll just give it a little bit extra love. That's what I do. This is not what they're telling you to do. I'm telling you what I do. So, okay, I'm going to put this to the side. Again, please look for this. I've seen it in Target. It's pretty much probably in other locations as well, but I'm just giving you a heads up where I shop. Okay, so Drew Barrymore, this is the second time that she sent a package with Crocs. I guess she has, she started a new relationship with them, and I think it's cute that she sends these out to all the bloggers. And I don't know, I feel like this is a real signature I appreciate that. That's why I'm including this. I couldn't be more excited to share this special gift with you. New adventure, you know, I think it's nice when I feel that celebrities are doing things that sort of feel like it's their vibe. Like, you know, a lot of people just slap their name on it. And I feel like with Drew, she's like sort of funky and she has her own like beat to, you know, what is that? Beat to the beat, and, you know, walks to the beat of her drum. I'm not good with those type of terms. You know what I'm trying to say. But so she came out with these flip-flops with Crocs, and I could totally see her wearing them. Like, this doesn't feel like Crocs to me. Like, this has a very different vibe of Crocs. Like, I wouldn't think that this was Crocs. I would almost think that this is going to be weird. You're going to be, like, very confused when I say this, but this almost feels like the new HALSTON for Target. I know I'm saying Target twice. This is not a Target video. But, like, the way that they sort of toned it down, and it was very, there was more solids and bolded colors, and it was like really bright and bold and solid. Even though this has a pattern to it, like to me, if this was part of that line, I would have accepted it. This doesn't feel like Crocs to me, so I don't know. I think it's fun. I think it's like, okay, you know, like if you're going to the pool or something and you're running around. Am I putting it on wrong? You can see that's love, right? What if I do it this way? Love. I think it's cool for the summer if you're running around to the pool. Like, this is like, you know, obviously you can get wet. It's that kind of material that you can like literally walk into the pool after your children and chase them and then walk out of the pool and you have not ruined your shoes. Welcome to motherhood if you haven't gotten there yet. So these are fun. I would wear these. I mean, this is, you know, summer is totally relaxed. I'm very much, no matter where I am. I mean, I'm home right now, and I'm pretty much, I can go out right now and meet somebody for dinner, and I would be okay. That's how I am typically. If I'm not like this, I'm in my pajamas. There is no middle for me. So for me, in the summer, I do get a little bit more lax. So I do like this style. I definitely, when I opened them up, I was surprised, and I was like, that's really cute. So Drew Barrymore, look out for her collection with Crocs, because she has a lot of cute things. I'm actually going to go online and see what else she has going on. Now, these I bought for myself. I'll tell you right now, I don't love them, but I think they're nice. I wish they were better, but I think they're nice. So these are eucalyptus shower bombs fizzy. I'm going to go to Lush and spend the real money and buy the real bombs for the showers, because this was like the super cheap Amazon 12 for, I don't even know, $12 prime shipping, whatever I spent. The thought process was, I get a ton of migraines, and I thought, wouldn't it be great if I had one of these eucalyptus sort of fizz bombs. You like my nails? I know. You know, eucalyptus fizz bombs that when I go into the shower, I have a massive migraine. I'm not ready to take my medication yet. I need to do all that I can to help open up my sinuses, because maybe it's a sinus headache instead. And wouldn't it be great if I could just sort of get that Vicks sort of sensation when I'm in the shower with the steam? This is where my head's going. So I went onto Amazon and I bought all these bombs, and I have a million of them now, and I went to use one and I was underwhelmed. But again, I paid nothing for them, so I don't think I bought like the right one. As soon as I put the water on the fizz bomb, it evaporated immediately. So then I was like, okay, I have to keep the water away from the fizz bomb. And then when it wasn't hitting it, it wasn't hardly doing anything. So I had to like either really hit it or not hit it. And there was no happy medium. I mean, I was in the shower. I mean, I was in the shower for like 45 minutes. I was like a scientist. I was like, just the right amount of water. I was like really trying to make it work. And then I was like, oh, wait, I have to actually wash my body. Like, I've been spending so much time trying to get the elliptical sensation going that I'm not even taking care of what I have to take care of in the shower. It was like really funny. I want that to work. So I'm going to be looking. I'm really going to be searching for the right thing as far as fizz bombs are concerned. Is if you know of anything in that market, particularly with that sort of minty scent, or that peppermint or eucalyptus or something along that line, because I really I don't know, I've been having this channel for quite some time. I don't know the last time that I talk about migraines, but I struggle very much so with migraines, and I'm always looking for more natural solutions because it's not my favorite to take. I take medicine every single day. I take daily meds, and it's, you know, it is something I have to do, but I don't want to do it. It's not something I want to do. So I like to look for different options, different things to try to help me ease the migraines when they come, so I don't have to take more medicine. I already take, you know, 125 milligrams every single day of my life. It would be nice if I don't have to take more medicine when I actually get a migraine. So I'm looking for alternative medicine, if you will. Okay, and then the last thing, which I thought was cute, my friend Dina has an amazing PR agency. She is such a rock star. I love watching everything that she does. There's a new movie called Smallfoot. Let me just make sure. Oh, Channing Tatum. So I saw this photo of Channing Tatum. Can we talk about him for a second? I don't know if it was a new photo or an old photo, and I'm not going to talk about it because I don't want to shame or I don't want to say anything negative about anybody, but I'm just going to say he looks a little different. He looks a little different than what he's looked like in the past. So let me just stop right there and say that. And I'm going to look it up. I'm going to do a little research. I'm going to go to TMZ. I'm going to verify what I saw because I was a little shocked to see what Channing looks like as of late, although it could have been like a meme or something that is just not right. But from what I saw, I was like, wait, what? What year is this from? I have to look up Channing. So this is funny that he's part of this this movie. So Smallfoot, sweet treats to celebrate the brand new trailer online. Hashtag Smallfoot. He's coming. Theater September 29th. So we're getting a first look at Smallfoot. Now I had my little son in this hat, but he had no clothes on, so I couldn't post it. It was the cutest picture on the planet. But I think I would, it's not appropriate, so I don't want to post it. But I have given these cookies, we got 2 of these boxes, and I gave these cookies to my kids. I gave 1 and 1, and they were the hit of the schoolyard. Everyone was flipping out over these cookies. So we have all of one school, and I have my kids go to 2 different schools because of their ages. I have about 600 kids in each school flipping out over Smallfoot, and nobody even knows what it's about yet. So now that the trailer's out, we all get to check it out. So at Smallfoot Movie, I know you're looking at my nails again. I have to go. I know. All Smallfoot Movie and hashtag Smallfoot. So you can check those out. And tomorrow I'm going to give these guys the opposite. So I'll give them the other cookie so they can have fun and show their buddies their other toys. And I just posted a big Hatchimals video yesterday, so you can go and check that out. That was super fun to do with my kids. They always love doing that. And I don't think I have anything else new. I have a whole bunch of stuff from Wish, but I don't feel like doing that in this video because that's a whole song and a dance, and I never know what I buy. So it's always like me opening up things a little bit scared because I always buy on impulse with Wish. And so I'm afraid to do it while my children are around because they'll be like, Mom, what is that? I'll be like, I have no idea. That's all. So 13 minutes. I'm sorry this is so long, but I have some good stuff. So this is just, don't forget about this, guys. Go check them out. It's Beauty and Planet. And if you don't like coconut oil, believe me, there's so many different things. I have like tea tree oil. I have something else, and I have an entirely different scent going on in my bathroom. And this one too, they have like rose. They have all these different things going on. It's delicious. Until then, I will speak to you guys soon. Bye.